Hi, this is Habiba with you. In this session, we are going to discuss about the importance performance map analysis, which is also called as important performance matrix, importance performance map, or priority map analysis. And it's an useful approach in PLSAM that extends the standard results reporting of the path coefficient estimates by adding a dimension that considers the average values of the latent variable score. As we know that the PLSAM is a variance-based method to estimate path models with latent variables. PLS approach is particularly useful when the study focus is on the analysis of certain target construct and the explanation of its behavior. So the IPMA extends this approach of PLSAM and is provided dimension that consider the average values of the latent variable scores, which shows the performance, and it also shows the importance of the certain predecessor construct in shaping the behavior of the target construct. So here we have the goal to identify the predecessor construct that has an high importance, but it's showing a less performance, and then managers should focus on the aspects of the predecessor construct that are responsible for that behavior. So importance performance map analysis contrasts the total effects of a certain predecessor construct, which is a role in shaping the behavior of the target constructs, and this axis consists of the total effect of the predecessor construct, which consists of both direct and indirect effects, while on y-axis we have the average latent variable scores, and it's range from 0 to 100. And the goal is to identify the predecessors that have a relatively high importance for the target constructs, that is those that have a strong total effect but also have a relatively low performance, that is lower average latent variable. And it's particularly more IPM is important when we are working on a multi-group analysis. Furthermore, we are also interested in the aspect of the constructs that are responsible for shaping that behavior of the target constructs. So in that case, we can have the importance performance map of indicator level also, in which the y-axis shows the mean value of the indicator, while the x-axis shows the total effect of the indicator towards the target constructs. There are some steps involved in the running of the importance performance map analysis. These are requirement check. Number 2, computation of performance values. Number 3, computation of importance values. Number 4, importance performance map creation. And number 5, extension of IPMA on an indicator level. Thank you.